Off-grid cabins are upgrading because battery choice now changes comfort, safety, and total cost. A cheap battery can still become expensive if it needs constant care and early replacement. That is why the old lead-acid standard is being replaced by LFP in many modern systems. Lead-acid batteries are the old workhorse. They store energy with lead plates and liquid acid. They are cheaper to buy, and they can be charged in cold weather better than LFP in many setups. But they are heavy, need ventilation, and usually should not be drained past 50% if you want decent life. LFP means lithium iron phosphate. It is a lithium battery made for long life and safer use. It gives more usable power from the same rated size, charges faster, and needs little or no maintenance. The trade-off is a higher upfront price, and charging below freezing needs care. Lead acid typically delivers 300 to 500 cycles at 50% depth of discharge, while LFP can reach 3,000 to 6,000 cycles at much deeper discharge levels. Lead acid is much heavier for the same usable energy, while LFP is about 1/3 the weight. LFP also wastes less energy during charging, with efficiency often near 95% to 98% in modern systems, while lead acid is lower. In simple terms, LFP stores more of the sun's work and wastes less of it. Knowing the difference matters because an off-grid cabin is not a city home. Power has to last through cloudy days, winter, and mist maintenance. If you choose lead acid, you may save money today, but pay later in replacements, lost capacity, and more labor. If you choose LFP, you usually pay more at the start, but get easier use and lower lifetime cost. Imagine two water buckets. One is cheap, but it leaks and gets heavy fast. The other costs more, but it is lighter, holds water better, and lasts much longer. Lead acid is the leaky bucket. LFP is the stronger one. For a cabin owner, that means fewer battery swaps, fewer surprises, and more reliable lights when the weather turns bad. Lead acid is cheaper to start. LFP is cheaper to live with. For off-grid cabins, the upgrade is not just about batteries. It is about peace of mind, and that is what finally wins.